In R, variables can be reassigned. That means if you have assigned one particular value in one variable and then you reassign another value in the same variable, what happens? The new value remains and the old value is forgotten. That is very important to learn. So let us see in an example. Let us go to the screen. So for giving an example, I'm opening a new R script where let me assign any value of our choice to X. Let's say I assign 100 to X, and also I assign let's say a country name like Mexico. In the variable C. Now if I print these two variables, then what happened? Print X and also print C. Okay, let me run all the commands and you can see, sorry, there was a mistake in the spelling, print. Okay, now let me run it again. So if I run it, then you can see, well, another mistake anyway, sorry for that. print. Okay, this is very common in fact. Anyway, if I run it, then we can see that print X provides us 100, which was actually assigned to X, and then print C gives us Mexico, which was actually assigned to C. Now to see what happens if we reassign, let us assign another value to X, for example 500, and to C we assign, let's say, Bangladesh. Okay, now if we actually let us run one by one. If we run the assignment of 500 to X and then print X, then what will happen? It will not give us 100 that was previously assigned. Rather, it will give us the newly assigned value, and which is also reflected in the environment. You can see the value of X has changed from 100 to 500, but the value of C is still Mexico because I have not run this command yet. So if I run this command, then it will be replaced by the new assigned name of the country. And if I print C now by running, okay, then you can see it is actually giving us Bangladesh. Now let us do another thing, another example, how we can actually see the impact of reassignment. So let's say X is actually, right now 500 is assigned to X. Okay, now if we say X is actually X plus 50, and if we run this command, you see it becomes 550. And not only that, if we print X now, then what happens? You can see it is actually providing us 550. So this is how actually the reassignment works in R. See you again.